Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mary. I'm a professional makeup artist. This is a slightly different video because in this video I'm going to try some clickbait Instagram videos that are some makeup that is done especially on Instagram. So I'm going to try that and see how it works. Another thing I want to add is that this is not how I usually do my makeup, and this is not how I would recommend you to do makeup. This video is just created for fun. First thing I'm going to try is take the beauty blender and drip the foundation on it. I'm going to make it a little damp. I have taken a lot more than I would usually take, and this is actually a thick foundation that I'm using. I tried to keep it even, but it's looking very cakey. I have never seen this foundation settle into lines like this, so already the start is not so good. I'm going to try that dotted method. It looks really cool to see on the videos when you're scrolling. Let's see how it looks while actually doing this. I am going to take this shade of concealer for contouring. This is from Kryolan NG2. Another Kryolan concealer. This is a bit lighter shade. This is in the shade Ivory. I'm going to apply it to the areas which needs highlighting. Looks good. I'm applying it using this earbud. Now the other side I'm going to use the contour shade. I'm going to take it way till the mouth area. Usually that's not something I recommend. I'll do the triangle concealer. So I'm taking this Wet n Wild concealer. Usually this is like not so full coverage, so I'm not trying to purposely look cakey. My beauty blender is bleeding. I can feel cakiness from underneath my skin also. It's so bad. Plus my skin is very oily, so I can't afford to layer products so much like this. Square shaped eyebrows. Actually highlighting is okay, but underneath the eyebrow looks good, but on top, like making a square does not look good. I think I can set my face 4 times with this much powder. It is just sticking to the skin because the skin is like breaking the concealer and the foundation underneath. It's not even spreading, it's just sticking to one place as I'm applying the powder. I'm going to try dusting it off. Let's see. Okay, can you see that some powder has stuck to certain areas? This usually doesn't happen. Once you dust it off, it goes away. I'm going to keep my eye makeup simple because this was more about the base. Taking my blush and applying over eyelid. Just doing the mascara the usual way. Okay. The lipstick I'm using the Huda Beauty Trophy Wife. You can see how it looks in natural light as well. they actually use more product than what I have used. Even with this, this is the result. I messed up on my lipstick and the mascara as well. So that was my little attempt to try something different, something that I saw so often on Instagram. I wanted to try it for myself, to see how it works. It does not work. That's it from this video. If you enjoyed this video, please do leave a like, share and subscribe to my channel, and do check out my other videos. If you're new to this channel, I have a lot of more actual makeup related content for beginners. If you're a beginner, if you're starting with makeup, please do check out my other videos from the playlist. Yeah, that's it from this video. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.